Hello mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video we have another AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x is equals to a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x values are increasing. And the y values are, which are the f of x, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, and 10,000. So these are also increasing. So if they are both increasing at the same time, this is a growth function. So we can go ahead and eliminate the choice A and C. The answer is either B or D. So now at this point we can just use calculations. Gonna do some calculations. Let's use this first data. So f0 is a times b to the power of 0 is equals to 1, which means a times 1 is 1, so a is 1. And let's use the second data, f1. So 1 times b to the power of 1 is 10. So b is 10 here then. So b is greater than 1. Therefore, the correct answer will be choice B for the specific question. Because it says b is greater than 1 in here. But in the choice D it says b is between 0 and 1. So this is how we solve this type of question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.